Welcome to this Electrical Safety Essentials training to prepare you for the exam to gain a related discipline card under the ECS Electrotechnical Certification Scheme. When you sign up to the course and log in for the first time, you should arrive on the course homepage, which looks like this. If you arrive on the Standard Learning Lounge dashboard, which looks like this, you can find your homepage by clicking on the Suites tab and click on Electrical Safety Essentials here. That will bring you back to the home page. To launch the content, you just click on it. You'll see a list of menu options to jump around if you require, or you can just press Next at the bottom of the page here to proceed through the training. Anytime you want to leave, I do recommend coming up to the Start button here, clicking on that, and click Suspend, and that will formally end that training session. To return to the course homepage, just click on that Content Dashboard homepage icon there, and back to Suites, and come back to Electrical Safety Essentials. This course is provided to prepare you to pass the assessment to get your card. You decide when you're ready for the exam. Once you've worked through all the material and scored well in the revision tests, you should feel comfortable to proceed. If you're planning to take your assessment with us, that's the time to get into contact. If you choose to use a third party, please contact them directly. Thank you very much for studying with us, and enjoy the course.